Hey, I'm Justin, and this is Rick, and we've driven up from Melbourne to stay at Mount Little in the Flinders Ranges. Today we're heading to Merna Mora Station to do the Heritage Trail. The place is fly swept, but the views are incredible. So come with us on this awesome adventure in the Mighty Ranger and the 78 Series Troopy. Rick's just airing up his tyres because we're about to hit the black top on our way to Merna Mora to do the Heritage Trail. He's up there. Wow, we're about halfway through the heritage track at Merna Mora, and the views and the lookouts, the four-wheel driving has been absolutely breathtaking.
Yeah, 100%. It's well worth it. Yeah, come down here.
The four-wheel driving is a bit technical. Some bits are a bit steep. It's very, very bumpy, very rocky. But when you get to see these views, which are not in short supply, it's all worth it. And for $55 at the station to do the drive,
yeah, $55 for the day.
Hell yes. Well, I'm absolutely blown away. That was one of the best drives that I've done in Australia. I had zero expectations going into it, and it has literally just blown my mind. What do you reckon, Rick?
Oh, it was amazing. Yeah, it's equivalent to any drive in the high country. It's yeah, really good, really good.
I finally cracked the shit. I've done it. I've put the fly net on for 5 minutes. I look like a tourist. I feel like an idiot. But my God, it's nice. Do you want a fly net?
Not a fucking chance.
We're at the Mount Little station eating their famous pizza night.
Yes, we are.
Check it out. There's a pizza tavern. They have local beer. And check out the... How's the pizza?
Oh, good.
Yeah?
No, it's not bad at all.
And the beer?
I got the pink can. It's all right.